Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon gingerbread man. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's episode is going to be on a gingerbread man. Well, I actually did one of these four that you see right here, but what I wanted to do was show all four because basically it's the same shape and just a different face, and one just has a bite taken out of it too. So let's begin with the one that I did. That's the silly face one. So let's begin our little silly gingerbread man. So as you can see, I create the head first, and now I'm going to be working on the body, one leg, and I'm working on the other leg, and I'm working on one of the arms, and going to get the other one done. So in the very beginning, as you saw, that I had created several different gingerbread, and it was just the face that was different. So feel free to create your own face in the one that we're doing right now as well, or create multiples for that matter. Just enjoy it. Okay, so what I'm just doing here now again is lightly sketching and then following up with a little bit more detail as I work around. And what you saw with the final one, let me just take a note with that, is that was all done in Illustrator. That was inked and colored in Illustrator, so it was more of a flat color. That's a vector-based program. All right, so I'm going to be doing the silly face. I'm going to create my two little eyeballs for my little silly gingerbread man. Make him little sad eyeballs. There we go. Shade it in. Working that out. Okay, get the other one identical to that one. There we go. Looking good. Working on a little bit more overlapping action is really nice to actually have play up into this right now. That's the eyelashes just to be overlap that main circle. All right, let's make it a little darker. Let's get some eyebrows on him right now. Get some more expression. All right, shade that in. There we go. All right, and now let's begin with a little silly little mouth, how it actually looked out. There he is. He's like, gee, I got a little, or he could be actually having a cold or very tired. He could be like the silly one, just sticking out the tongue to make him look a little bit sillier. There we go. Darkening up in the mouth. There we go. The eyes, everything's looking good. All right, let's work around the other shade there. Yeah, so shading his eyelids like that actually separate so you can see the tone there as well. Okay, just going to do the little piping that's on his arms right now. Remember, as a kid, as my mom used to always make the gingerbread cookies, I used to love making them and eating them too. But this time, I'm actually drawing. All right. Get the easy one back and forth, and just do some squiggly, just nice and loose. There's no rhyme or reason around this one, just simple back and forth, and just follow the same path. Made it nice and wide. All right, that's one more on the other side. There we go, and we're just about done. Now I'm just going to make a little bit more detail. Let's take his little buttons in there a little bit darker. I'll highlight there. That's that little highlight. That goes back to one of my series on shading that 3D ball. Okay, let's get a little bit darker all the way around now. His leg, a little bit darker there. Around his arm. Okay, so I'm just following up with making sure a little bit more detail so I can finish it up then. All right, so I think we're done. And as always, make sure you sign and date it. And thanks for watching this video again. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. All right, thanks a lot. Take care.